Hello everybody, how are you doing? It is a beautiful, beautiful sunny day on this weekend. I wish you are doing well. Welcome to my channel. My name is Andrea Mason, your global voice and your personal accountability coach. How are you doing today? Well, today marks another beautiful day on the charts as well as a new beginning for a new weekend. What do you got in store? Many times we yearn and thrive for the weekend so we can relax. Some of us have to work on the weekend where it's the beginning of our work week. Others have errands to do that they weren't able to get done during the week, whether it's because that they have long extended hours or life just happens. I want you to make sure that you plan accordingly your weekends. Again, this applies to those who do have off on the weekend or at least one day, because we don't want to make our lives a constant working, struggling, and difficult time. We want to have fun. We want to spend time with our families. We want to spend time with our dreams, ourselves, and investing in who we are as well as those we surround ourselves with. Now, I know everybody's going to say, well, Andrea, life is so busy. I've got plans to make. I have people to connect with. I have errands to run. Sure, that's all part of it. But one of the key things that I've learned from my mentor was what they used to do was they would take a stopwatch. Yes, they'd take a stopwatch. And what they would do is they would time all of their activities, their housework, what they had to do outside of their home, what they had to do with their families, what they had to do with regards to deadlines, paperwork, whatever projects in store. And they would dedicate a timeline utilizing a stopwatch. Now, you're going to say, Andrea, how do you utilize a stopwatch when you are cleaning your home? How are you going to use, pardon the wind, how are you going to use a stopwatch when you are having bills to pay? Well, believe it or not, the stopwatch is not only for those big tasks, but it's also for breaking the tasks into manageable pieces. And it all starts with maintaining your home, maintaining your office, your mobile office. If you have the ability to actually have an idea of how much time it's going to take you to achieve a task, then you can, bring it up old school, Tetris your schedule where it deems fit. For example, a lot of us begrudge laundry, and it's quite honest. Someone said laundry, the machine does the work. Really what you have to do is load, unload, put into the dryer, and fold. Yes, that takes time, but think about it. If you are doing another task while the while the machine is doing the clothes, you could wash dishes, you could mop the floor. And while you're folding the clothes, you can actually put them in compartments in a basket and bring them up and put them in your drawers and closets. This all takes time, but if you have a timer to do it, you can actually allot that time when it has to be done throughout the week, the month, or the year. Also, what is great about time, our brains are equipped to only allow 100% of concentration and focus with great will and discipline on a certain amount of time. So if you are writing a project, if you are writing an essay, you're doing schoolwork, you're doing homework, you're doing research, a lot, anywhere from a half hour to an hour devoted solely on that project. Then take a break and come back to it. Now, you know 2023 for me is all about finishing. It's all about getting the job done. But if you time it in sequential moments, you can get it done without starting a new project. Another thing to keep in mind is your emotions, your mental wellness when you are doing these tasks. Because believe you me, if you not are invested emotionally, mentally, or focused on these tasks, you're not going to give 100% effort. And that's what I'm about, 100% effort. And you know me, the underlying thread that really gets me going, whether you hear it in your earbuds, on your phone, on your speaker, on your sound system, in your vehicle, have music. Music drives, and like I said before, as one of the motivational speakers has said, paraphrased of course, focus, energy flows where focus goes, and you can get it done. If you found that this video has been beneficial and got some value from it, donate what you can. Like, share, subscribe, and send it out to those in need, as well as knowing that if you want more in-depth, one-on-one strategical methods on how to get the jobs done, then I welcome you to check out my website, andreamasons.com, and services provided so I can share with you and we can connect and you can redeem your free gift, and let's make your dreams become reality. Because without the mess, you have no stress. And if you plan, you can have time for play. So join me on my life transformational journey and choose and know that in every single day you have the right and the choice in this crazy game of life to choose to press play. Plan life according to you. Be well, my friends, and I'll see you in the next video.